Good evening, sir. I'm Shakim Romeo from BAC1C, and this is my report sa part 2. I selected 4 problems and I will try to solve it. So number 1 problem, okay. The orbit of the earth is an ellipse with the sun at the focus. The semi-major axis is 93 million miles. The eccentricity is 1/45. Find the greatest and least distance of the earth from the sun. According sa problem ko to, kaning find the greatest and least distance of the earth from the sun. So ano na siya? So number 5 na siya, number 5. Ang sun. Okay. First, let's understand the term. The semi-major axis, A, half of the longest diameter of the ellipse, given kay 93. Maning ellipse ba niya? Half man. So, ang iyang semi-major axis kay 93 million miles. Million miles. Mga siya ang A. Okay. Now, kang eccentricity pod kay a measure of how elongated the ellipse is given, ang given nito kay 1/45. So, ang E daw kay 1/45. Focus, one of 2 points inside the ellipse such that the sum of the distances from any point on the ellipse to the 2 foci is constant. The sun is at one focus. Second step, we will calculate the distance from the center to the focus. Now, the relationship between the semi-major axis, the distance from the center to the focus, C, and the electricity, E, is C equals to AE. Now, let's find C, or the focus. So, ang A naka 93 man, 93 million. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, times na siya o kaning 1/45. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So ang answer kay 206. So, ang answer kay 2 million. Okay. Now, we will calculate the greatest and least distances. Now, the greatest distance, it's called aphelion. This occurs when the Earth is furthest from the Sun. It's the sum of the semi-major axis and the distance from the center to the focus. Ano yung center? 93. Diba? 93 man siya, 93 million. Ang ada po 93 million. Yung muning aphelion kani karasan. Kana pili na siya aphelion. Now, to calculate the greatest distance, is the sum of the semi-major axis kani 93 million and the distance from the center to the focus. Now, ang kana na siya kay mahimo siya o kaning aphelion equals to A plus C. Okay, ato i-substitute. Mahimo siya og 93 million plus 2,066,666.667. Ito na i-calculate. Miles. Don't forget the unit. $93 million. 1, 2, 3 plus 266 1, 2, 3 .667. Oh, sakto ba? Equals to 95. 1, 2. Kana siya. Muna siya ang greatest distance. Now, least distance kani mo siya gitawag og perihelion. Okay, least distance, this occurs when the Earth is closest to the Sun. It's the difference between the semi-major axis and the distance from the center to the focus. So ito pa ang perihelion equals sa A minus C. Ato i-substitute na mo siya og 93 million minus 2,066,666.67 ang equals niya kay ito na i-change sign. Ang iyang answer kay kani 1, 2, 3. So 90 million mo ni siya ang least. Mo ni siya ang greatest. Miles. Ang distance and distance. Okay. Okay, ang second problem na ko i-solve sir kay kaning a hotel ba swimming pool. Okay, a hotel swimming pool has for its boundary a curve given by the equation x squared plus y squared equals 2x minus 4y plus 20, where the units are all in meters. Find the volume of water required to fill the pool to a depth of 1.5 meters. Okay. Karon ato sa i-draw ang kaning swimming pool pa. Nako na siya kaning 1.5 gani na 1.5 na kalagmon. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Kaning nakabutang ka kay find the volume daw of the water and kaning required to fill the pool to a depth of 1.5 meters. Okay. Now na given nga rin na equation. Given equation. X squared plus y squared equals 2x 4y plus 20. Okay, ang standard form sa circle, kay circle man siya. Standard form sa circle kay x minus h squared plus y minus k squared r squared. Karon nato na siya rearrange to standard form like this. Okay, first ito sana siya i-kuha na bang x squared plus y squared. May mo siya og negative 2x. Yeah, plus 4y equals to 20. Okay, nato na siya arrange. Itapat-tapat nato na yung same variable 2x plus y squared plus 4y 20. Karon para pangangitan nato ang kay kanang iyang constant o kaning iyang murag whole number gani na walay variable ba or letter C ba sa full method. Ano bang y variable? Ato na kita na, di ba 2 na siya? So may mo siya x squared minus 2x plus negative 2 niya over 2 na po siya squared niya plus y squared plus 4y plus since 4 man is so 4 man 4 so 4 over 2 squared. Ato sa na so 20 na since nagbutang over equals 20 niya nagbutang man taog kaning ingani ba sa pika side magbutang sa pika side so plus same gihapon 2. Kung equivalent na niya, 20 plus 1 plus 2 squared. Oh, squared 4 day. So, mahimo siya og 25. Now, kay murag kaning sa last na number. Kay kani siya, pwede pa na siya mahimo to ingani. Pero since nakuha naman to ng 25, so kaya nato gamiton. Silbi mo na siya ang r squared. Pero ato ni padayon. Okay, so mahimo siya o kaning 1 man na siya. 1. So siya x squared x plus 1 plus y squared plus 4y plus 2. Ato na i-factor out, mahimo siya x1 squared y plus 2 squared equals to 25. Muna siya ang ingani forma ni kani, and ito na siya is square. Okay, squared ni may mo siya 5. Karon calculate na to ang area of the pool. Now kaning ang the area of the circular pool is given by the formula A equals to pi r squared. Since nanatay r squared nga rin, so A equals to 25 pi. Now naman tayo area, so ato na po i-calculate ang volume of the water. Now ang given po ng volume of the water kay the volume of water needed to fill the pool to a depth of 1.5 meters. So kalaw mo niya is the area of the pool multiplied by the depth. So volume, area of the pool daw multiplied by the depth. So may depth ni 0.5. So mahimo siya og 25 pi times 1.5 equals to 37.5 pi. But nga to nig pi. So ang volume kay 117.81. Okay. Since m squared na siya, m times sila para sila exponent, so mahim siya cubic meter. So ang volume kay 117.81 cubic meter. Thank you. The problem that I choose kay kuan kaning marigatong same upon kanina na problem sa number 1 kani. The major axis of elliptical path in which the earth moves around the sun is approximately 186 million miles. So ang major axis daw kay 186 million miles, and the eccentricity of the ellipse is 1/5. So E equals to 1/5 ko no, 1/50. Find the greatest and least distance of the earth from the sun. Now major axis daw kay kaning longest mile na. Remember na ang major axis kani kay 2a na siya. Yang A biya kay mo na siya ang semi axis. Semi major axis. So it means na ang kani i-divide na siya to 2. So i-divide to 2 ang 186 93. Ito pa ang major axis which is A. Ang A nga ni kay 93 million miles. Now let's find the distance from the center to the focus. Kani kay kamo siya. 96. Yeah, kani may 93 ra. 93 ra. Now, let's find the distance from the center to the focus. Now, the eccentricity of an ellipse is defined as the ratio of the distance from the center to a focus to the semi-major axis. So, ang formula niya kay E C over A. Now, let's manipulate the formula para mangitaw na to ang C. So, mahimo siya og C equals to E times A nga naman. A times A, cancel niya. Mahimo siya A times siya, okay? Okay, gets siya. So, substitute na to. C equals to 1 over 50 times 93 million. Equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 186. Oh, 186. 1,860,000. Okay? Nanatay C. Or focus. Ato na sa i-calculate. Kani ba? Kani. Sorry. Muna siya. Now, let's calculate the greatest and least distance. Okay, a greatest distance, okay. This occurs when the Earth is farthest from the Sun. It's the sum of the semi-major axis and the distance from the center to the focus. So, kani daw, gikan nga rin. O nga rin. A plus ang A o ang C. So, A plus C. Substitute na to. Mo siya og 93 million 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1,860 miles equals to 94,860. Okay. Now, kung ato po na siya sa least distance niya, minus siya. 93 million 1, 2, 3 minus 1,860 equals to 91,140,000 miles. So, muna siya ang greatest. Kani kay list. Hindi mo na siya nga rin. Something ra. Okay. Wala siya. Greatest and least. Ang gipili pod na last na problem kay kaning an arc in a form of semi-ellipse a span of 80 meters. Kani. And its greatest height is 20 meters. There are two vertical support. Kani siya. Supports equidistant from each other and the ends of the arc. Find the height of the supports. Now, pasabot na problem kay kanang duha ka beam equidistant sila to each other and sa endpoint. Kung baga, ang usa ka beam iya kalayon sa tumoy same sa kalayon sa pikas beam. Ngani ba center kana ngara, okay? Karon same mo kuno sa value ko no. Let's use x lang as kuan niya given niya ba. Yeah, we're using to find the value of x since tulo man ka x, so x plus x equals to 80. Okay, ang equivalent rin kay 80 man. So may mo 3x equals 80 over 3. May mo x 80 divided by 3 26 point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6. Niya, half niya, kay murag ang kaning distance ba? Kay, divided by ito, 13.1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kaya niya, A na siya, A. ito na sila i-plus duha. 26.666666 something niya plus 13.33333. Ato lang yung ikon. I-round off. So, ikalima. 7 na siya. Ato na sila i-plus. So, ang A daw equals to 40. Karon, using the formula or equation, x squared a squared plus y squared b squared. Substitute na to ang x. Ang x ang meaning ani kay ang iyang distance center. So, ang x half to gamiton, which is kani. Okay? 13.33333 over ang a kay 40 squared plus y ang ato pangitanan ni kay ang y man or height sa beam. Ang b kay 20 squared 1 ato na sa ipalan nga day. Kana yeah, since y man nato pangitaan divided out times to ka y man nato pangitaan times both side by 20 so cancel 20 squared so may siya y squared equals to 20 squared back 1 13.12345 kana. Since square root man para makuha na itong y, square na to siya. So, labas na kay tak 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and ato na siya i-calculate. Answer kay y equals to 14,907,1183.6 meters. So, muna siya ang height sa beam or height sa supports ba.